Smart locks. They're sleek, convenient, and offer a whole new level of control over your home security. Imagine unlocking your door with your phone, granting temporary access to guests, or even checking if you locked up from anywhere in the world. But with all this amazing tech comes a question many homeowners are asking: is my privacy at risk? Welcome to Ken's Locksmith of Columbia, Missouri. Today we're exploring the privacy issues with home smart locks. What data is collected? It's true, smart locks do collect data. Think about it. To provide those cool features, they need to know who is coming and going and when. This typically includes entry and exit times. Every time the lock is used, a timestamp is recorded. User activity. If you have multiple users, the system logs who unlocked or locked the door. Sometimes, usage patterns. Some systems might track how frequently the lock is used or even detect unusual activity. The privacy worry. Is Big Brother watching? Now, understandably, this data collection can raise eyebrows. Homeowners worry. Where is this data stored? Is it securely kept or floating around in the cloud vulnerable to hackers? How is it used? Is it just for the lock to function, or is it being used for marketing or shared with third parties? Could my privacy be breached? Could someone hack into the system and access my entry logs or even use this information against me? These are valid questions. No one wants their home security system to become a privacy liability. The safety focus. Reputable brands. Prioritize security. Here's the good news. Reputable smart lock brands understand these concerns and make data security a top priority. They implement robust measures to protect your privacy. Strong encryption. Your data is scrambled using advanced encryption methods, making it virtually unreadable to unauthorized individuals. Think of it as a super strong digital lockbox for your information. Secure storage. Data is typically stored on secure servers, often using cloud platforms with top-notch security infrastructure. Privacy policies. Legitimate companies have clear and transparent privacy policies outlining how they collect, use, and protect your data. They are committed to responsible data handling. User control. Many systems give you control over your data settings. You can often review your data, adjust privacy settings, and even opt out of certain data collection features where possible. Regular security updates. Just like your phone or computer, smart locks receive security updates to patch vulnerabilities and stay ahead of potential threats. Conclusion: smart security, smart choices. Smart locks offer incredible convenience and enhanced security for your home. While privacy concerns are valid, it's important to remember that reputable brands are heavily invested in protecting your data. The key is to be informed and choose wisely. Before you buy, research brands known for their security practices. Read their privacy policies. Look for features like strong encryption and regular security updates. Call Ken's Locksmith of Columbia, Missouri at 954-825-7535 so we can answer all of your questions, or visit our website at kenslocksmith.com for more information. By making smart choices, you can enjoy the benefits of smart lock technology with confidence, knowing your privacy is protected.